Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to take video screenshots on CapCut PC. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, open CapCut on your PC, import the video by going over here on import. Now after importing the video, click on add to track. Now put this line where you want to take the screenshot. For example, I want to take a screenshot on this duration. Go over here on top and click on these three lines and click on export still frames. Now name your file, select your location, resolution, format and click on export. As you can see, the file is exported. So that's it for the video. That's how you can take video screenshot on CapCut PC. Thanks for watching.